waters where the lilies sway, lives a creature fearsome in light of day. With gleaming eyes and scales so grand, it glides and prowls across the land. Crocodile, oh crocodile, with jaws so wide, in the river's flow you silently glide, with tail that flicks and strokes so strong. You move with grace where you belong, through mangroves and along the shore. You hunt your prey forevermore. With stealthy approach and patient wait, you seize your meal, sealing fate's gate. Crocodile, oh crocodile, in ancient guise, symbol of strength under skies. With armored hide and primal grace, you command respect in every place. So sleep tight, little one, and dream away of the crocodile in light of day. In dreams may you swim and play with the crocodile, come what may. Crocodile, oh crocodile, ruler of the stream, in your presence we find awe and esteem. So let's sing and let's sway with the crocodile